Here's Jesse. Taking them. Next up is Bailey. At Giants Ridge. Oh, look at that Bailey boy. Here comes Woody. You got it, Woody!
Take the jump, Woody! Go, go, go!
Oh, nice job, boys.
Okay, give them space.
All right, these are our two skiers here. You're good, go for it! I'm doing a GoPro. Oh, it fell off? All right, I'm gonna follow Woody, I guess, then. Beautiful day at Giants Ridge. We're here with Nikki and Bailey. Woody's a little speed demon. And Bailey's on a snowboard. Oh, and look at it come to a stop. Nice job, guys. Woody, say cheese balls. Oh, here goes Dad. There's Woody. Here comes Andy. Go for it, Andy. I'm going to just do a video the whole way down to these kids. Casey Cash. I'm going to follow Andrew. Look at that form. Nice. Don't take that jump, Andy. Oh, nice. Look right around it. Good job, boys. Today is the first day, 2015. The boys just turned 11 and 8. At Giants Ridge with family and friends. They're quite long, actually, to be honest. There we go.